Do you want to know what happiness looks like? Right here. Nice big old banana, some peanut butter, right on there. Mmm. Okay, how's everyone doing? Today's Saturday, and I just pulled out to Walmart because I got to go in and get some stuff for later on tonight. I am going to pick up a friend, and we're gonna go out camping somewhere. I don't know where yet exactly, but I do know it's gonna be fun. But I'm gonna quick run in. Got to get some food. And what else do I need? Food. I think just food. That's all I need. Just food. Yeah, so I'll be right back. Alright, so we're headed out now. It's around 11:30. And I got everything I needed. And we're about to go pick up Samantha. And I'll see you guys then when I pick her up and you get to meet her. She's pretty cool. I never met her before, so hopefully she doesn't like kill me and like take my skin, you know what I mean? But I don't know, we'll see. So I'll see you guys then, and I'll show you what I did with back there. You can kind of see a water jug and ice chest. I'll show you what I did yesterday after work. I kind of made something so I can just put them on there, but I'll show you when we're at the camping spot exactly what I did. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do today really, but whatever it is, let's have a freaking good day out of it. So I'll see ya.
So we are here at Lake Pleasant. I'm just making you a little video to say thank you. You're very, very sweet for taking me here and letting me.
I'm gonna go run up to the El Baño, okay?
Okay.
Go change.
Okay. Is there anything I should know about the pancakes?
It should be fine.
Okay.
Hopefully.
Okay. All right. Let's see. Show me how it's done.
Ready? Ooh.
Nice.
A little burnt, but
That went a lot better than I thought that
I know,
it was
me
going
too. I
to.
definitely thought it was gonna fall, like all like come apart and stuff.
Yeah.
I've actually never flipped one. That's my first time.
Really?
Yeah.
You're a pro.
I usually just mush them all up together.
You're a pro.
Mm-hmm.
We should just like spread Nutella on top of it.
You can put a bunch. It'll get rid of the burnt taste. Yeah. What do you think so far?
Am I on camera? I totally am, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty great. No, I'm definitely not going to be able to cast as good.
Okay.
Pressure of the camera.
Come on. It's gonna go far, real far.
Oh, 3 times in a row. I'm a professional.
See it over there? Hit those kayakers. Dang.
I saw them like flinch because it came so close to them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm back in Prescott now, and I know, like, I don't know, it's just, I feel weird whenever I'm with somebody and I try to record a video. I just feel like I'm not giving them all my attention, you know? But like then again, I want to make a good video for you guys. But either way, I'll give you a recap of what happened. So you saw us making dinner, and after that we pretty much did a little fishing, and then it got pretty dark after that, so we went up. We were gonna try to sleep on top of the Jeep. We did for about a while, and then the wind picked up and it got really cold, so I'd probably say around 2 in the morning we got inside the Jeep and slept with 2 people on the cot, which was, I didn't know it was possible, but it was. I don't know if it was just because I was like so tired, I didn't know what was going on, that it made it work, but it worked. So, and then I dropped her off, and now I'm here. Right now I'm going to do a little bit of fishing. Okay, so I never showed you. I'm going to show you the setup I have right now going on with the Jeep. So here is what I did. I made this little rack on the back of the tire here, and it's not finished yet. I want to make an actual like basket, so it'd be like a lot nicer. Like yesterday, I had it unstrapped and I tried opening it and stuff just slid right off of it. So I want to make it like an actual basket kind of deal. But here's what I did. I had this laying around. This was just like my practice piece from the fenders. This was just like the practice piece that I had, and I just figured like it'd be perfect to bolt right onto there. And I did these for like stabilization so it doesn't twist and turn, you know. And then pretty simple, it's just like a little frame. It's sitting on top of the tire so it doesn't move around, it doesn't bounce up and down. But when I made it like, this was like where I squared off right there, and it hit the glass. It hit the glass on the window, so I cut it like that, and then it seems to be fine now. So that's pretty much the setup. But I'm gonna make an actual, like, it's gonna be an actual basket so I can hold stuff in there. But I just wanted to show you that, and it's like, it's holding up really good. Like, it's strong. That's like the whole Jeep moving right there. All right, guys. Well, I'm out of here. I just can't catch anything, I guess. Let's do a little recap of what happened today. Hold on. Going through some bushes. So, caught no fish. I stepped in water that looked like it was solid ground. Went right into it. My foot just sank into it. So my shoe and socks all wet. Yeah, I was sitting there on my phone. I thought I had a bite, so I stood up, dropped my phone straight in the water. So I had to go get it. Now my arms, my sleeve, or my long sleeve shirt's all wet, my arm, and yeah, it's hot too. So, and I might be lost, but that's pretty much happened today. What happened today? Yeah. But all in all, I had a really good time going out with Samantha. Yeah, she's really cool, really good to talk to, and I'm glad she was a good talker, because I'm not a good talker. If you ever meet me in person, like real life, I'm real bad at conversation. But I'm really glad she came. Usually it's just me and myself when I go. It's always nice to have someone with me. I don't mind myself at all. Just, it's always nice to have someone with you, you know. It's like human nature to share things with other people. So I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.